Hello, welcome to netvn channel. In this video I will show you how to install Play Store on Windows operating system. Thereby you can install countless applications like above on your Android phone. First you need to install Virtual Machines platform on your Windows computer. After installation, you will be asked to restart your computer. After rebooting, go to netvn. Don't forget to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, create your own, it's free. Next go to Magisk.wsa repository and follow next steps. Here you will be guided to create an emulator environment for installing Android applications. Next you make a copy of the repository so as not to affect the original project. Click on Build WSA then click on Run Workflow, type Pico under Variants of GApps. Finally click the Run Workflow button. It takes you about 5 minutes to create your own copy. After 5 minutes, 2 copies will be created. Choose the right copy for your computer and download it. The file is downloaded in compressed form and is over 800 megabytes. You unzip the downloaded file. Next, find the file named Install, right-click on it and click Run with PowerShell. The installation process starts and you follow the steps as instructed. The installation process takes about 5 minutes to complete. You can now close the PowerShell window. Until the screen asks you to enter your Google account, you are successful. So you have finished installing Play Store on Windows operating system. Now it's time to enjoy the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.